Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to calculate percentage in Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. Okay, so it's very easy. You just need to go ahead and add a chart to your report. Okay, come here to the top panel, click on Edit Chart, and then I want you to choose from the scorecard template. Okay, I'll choose this one, and let's say I add a scorecard right here. Once I select this, we need to change this. Okay, so which group are we picking? Let's say I want, from here I can scroll down and find a good example for you for a percentage. Okay, so what I would like to show you is, let's say in here we would like to do bounce rate. Okay, so as you can see, it is displayed as a percentage. If I click on edit right here, the data type should be percent, numeric percent. Okay, make sure you set it as that. If you want a custom one, let me show you an example. For example, this new user one. Okay, the formula is this. Look at this: new users divided by total users, and it gives us the percentage of new users in the last 28 days. And it's really that easy and simple.